गाइस तो इसमें रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम में so I will show you. So this next slide is of the testis. First under the low power of the microscope. So as we know, the testis is present in the scrotal sac. It is a part of the male reproductive organ, male gonads, and it is covered by the outermost covering is the visceral layer of the tunica vaginalis, and it is covering the outermost capsule of the testis, that is consisting of the dense connective tissue known as tunica albuginea. So tunica albuginea is thickened more on the posterior side to form structure known as the mediastinum testis. Why? Because from this mediastinum testis, the testis is divided into various testicular lobules. Okay, so these septa are forming the dividing it into the testicular lobules. But again, as we have seen in thymus, the septa are incomplete. Therefore, their lobules are communicating to each other. So, like here also, these lobules, the testicular lobules are intercommunicating with each other because the septa are not complete. Okay, so there are around 250 testicular lobules in each testis. So here we can see, and each testicular lobule is containing 1, 2, 3 or 4 seminiferous tubules. तो अभी जो तुमको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, these are the circumscribed areas, structures known as the seminiferous tubule, and in between the seminiferous tubule, these are the interstitial tissue, and these are known as the, they are having the interstitial specialized cell known as the Leydig cell. Interstitial cells are the Leydig cell of the testis. So what is the function of this interstitial cell? The function of the is to secrete the androgen hormone or testicular androgen, that is the testosterone. Okay, and the seminiferous tubules which are present here, they are coiled and they are opening toward the or going toward the mediastinum testis to give the structure known as the straight tubules which are entering into the mediastinum testis, the structure, the network of the epithelium, okay, the trabecular network known as the rete testis. ठीक है, तो अब ये seminiferous tubule कैसा दिखता है? You can see here. So here you can see in the core of the seminiferous tubule there are the spermatocyte or spermatozoa. So spermatocytes are attached on the, here are the columnar cell. The seminiferous tubules are lined by highly columnar cell known as the Sertoli cell. So these Sertoli cells are helping in the maturation, during the nutrition and maturation of the spermatocyte to give rise to the spermatozoa. Okay, so all these spermatocytes are the primordial, then primary and the secondary spermatocytes are present in this lining of the seminiferous tubules around the Sertoli cells. Okay, and these spermatozoa are or spermatid, not the spermatids are entering into the various stages of the tubules from the seminiferous tubule to the straight tubule, then rete testis in the mediastinum testis, and from the rete testis there are 10 to 20 tubules known as the efferent are entering into the head of the epididymis. Means they are converging toward the epididymal duct. Okay, so just identify this seminiferous tubules. How does it look like? Okay. So all these stages of The formation of the sperm cell, right from spermatogonium up to the sperm cell, are all happening around the Sertoli cell, okay, which are highly very large columnar cells. Okay. So these large columnar cell, if you can see, having the single nucleus present in the center. So what is the capacity of the seminiferous tubule? So they are producing the spermatozoa of the male adult in the adult male cell. The sperm. What is the number of the sperm per day? It is around 2 into 10 raised to 8 number of the sperm cell per day. Okay, but they are later on sorted out in the lesser number when they are entering into the other part of the male reproductive duct or the tract. Okay, so here you can see the spermatozoa थोड़ा यहाँ पे दिख रहे हैं sperm cells you can see here having the tails and the bodies. Okay, the small thin part दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, these are the sperm cells. Okay, so under 40 times higher, it is not possible to show you all the cells. You just see the outline of this testis. Okay, so this was about the slide of the testis, male gonad. So thank you very much. Goodbye.